Guys, we're here for the Light Festival. I need to show you around everywhere. I know Wesley, I know Canary Wharf very well, so there's so much to explore. First location is up there. We've got these lights at the moment. We've got these stalls, so let's explore. One, it's only going to get epic than this. The big coloured lights and everything. But yeah, this is always here anyway. Look at the whole area. So beautiful. Oh, got a light adjust. This is Canary Wharf. This is Canary Wharf. I'll be able to see the lights flicker at the top as you go around. But yeah, this is the area at the moment. So yeah, quite bright. Let me adjust that for you. I'll adjust the light. But yeah, so much to explore. This is the walk down. We've got the lights. We had this during Christmas anyway, but it's nice to see it here in January. Winter Festival lights they're called. They're here for quite a while. It's 27th of December, January, 27th of January. It's only this month, so if you want to get down, it's a free event, and they'll give you a guide anyway. Me being the busiest day during the week was quiet, so yeah, what we see, let's find out. It's gonna be awesome. It's really packed already. Really, a lot of people doing this. I'm going to. I'll talk you through the video, so I'll show you around, so you know what's what. I'm trying to get good photos. Like LED lights, they're supposed to change as you walk past. They change as you walk past. They go on and off. But well, there's a lot of people here. They're not going on and off. They're supposed to go on and off here. So when you walk past, they go on. It's epic when no one's about. There's more lights up here. It'd be more epic because they're going off. So when you walk past them, I like the view. Here's the see, there's a Canary Wharf is just there. It's got its lights going on and off there. There's a city skyline. What do you think of that, guys? I'll show you this. But yeah, the lights they go off. So when you walk past them, they all go on. It's like here. They're all off. As you walk past, they all come on. It's pretty epic. So then they're going out. And as you walk past, they should go on. Like that. Cool, isn't it? Let's get the best spot, actually. I'm trying to see up people's way.
This is neuron. Okay, yeah. Oh. But yeah. You want to go to the next one?
Maybe like mid next year.
Yeah.
So I'm really enjoying it here.
Yeah.
But I also love like maybe freaking
Yeah, there's a lot of shit like that at home. But then I'm also just like, piece of shit like inside.
yeah.
But then I'm like,
Same shit.
same shit over
Yeah.
people aren't just like willing to do shit.
Yeah.
They just come
Nothing. Yeah.
spending their money just going out drinking.
Yeah.
Whereas here it's like, shit, it's absolutely
Yeah.
whereas you come back home, just finish an R&B, like a New Year's Eve, and then everyone's clicking on the Facebook event like the past 3 weeks.
Yeah, like literally get off. Like I literally just went home.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm also here.
You know this? Come on.
That's why like, what's going, my mate sure enough, Ed's birthday like last month. He was like, oh, fuck, you were so right. I was drinking so much now.
Honestly, I need to kind of like I was done at the pub like a couple of times. I was like, you got to feel like that when you want a family. Like you want to be a family, but like, yes, please, that's not one.
Doesn't feel to me like the old
It's kind of going through the red wine, just sitting there because you want a family.
yeah.
And then I'll just go to bed and I'll be like, okay, that's probably not like a Tuesday night for me where I'm going to be doing
Yeah.
Lights. Bits of reflected glass, really. That's it. This is bits of reflected glass. For the, yeah, for the light fireplace. Light. It's a light fireplace. That's so cool, right?
Guys, use the whole space in the garden, please. Keep walking round.
We'll keep walking around. Okay. It's really busy. Let's give a quick epic video of this. Just a quick epic video. So see this. That's pretty cool. It's a Canary Wharf behind there. Just dim the lights a bit so you can see a bit better. That's really good, you know. Pretty clever.
Guys, keep making your way round the whole garden, please.
It's really clever. It's really epic. I'm watching the film right now, guys. This is the last bit I'm going to show you because we're going to head down that way, Canary Wharf way. We've got a map. We'll go to the dock side and go to the Elizabeth way, and then we see the other side of the Canary Wharf. See what we can see.
Maxwell!
Get down.
Don't climb up there.
Ready for the ball to drop.
Are you watching the light?
Just knee to the top, guys. Knee to the top. Be patient. Be patient. It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop and spiral. There it comes. There it comes.
It's on ITV. Yeah. See, I think when it's on ITV.
This is it.
They're hyped, so I need to like I think it is oh, okay. I like Maxwell?
This is the one where you just walk through. I'm going to adjust the lighting for this so it's nice and dark. And we're just going to walk through that. Let's get an angle for that first. There we are. Let's adjust it up to the sky. So it's like we can walk through it. It's going to be epic. Look at that. Is that heating? But it's not. It's all red. That's pretty cool though. That's it. Side. We've got the nice tree lights up there. Yeah, and we're going to see some more lights. Not as spectacular as the one I was seeing before, but it's really cool. It's nice anyway. Feels warm, but it's not. Yeah, squirting out some words, and I'm going to go around the other side and see what it says. You can see that, guys, squirting out some words. What it shows in Canary Wharf Gardens, where this jewellery line is. I'll show you this one first before I show you the one inside here. I'm going inside where the blue lights are. Yeah. Wow. Lovely one here. Just lights. Not much here though. Just words. Gardens. It's just here. Not much. And there's just a bit just here. This is like a electronic keyboard thing. This is. I'll zoom in and show you that. That's electronic keyboards. What do you think, guys? Stick in the comments. And we're just lights sticking in the air. Let's go and see something epic now.